Yeah, folks, today's a beautiful day. And, today is Eid Mubarak. And Eid Mubarak to you all, each and every one of you, that actually, it is something that I cannot just believe. But folks, to enjoy this video, just hold back to this video and then set in your comfort zone. I know you like it. You definitely enjoy this episode. Right now, when we were very small, but guess what? I'm actually enjoying my smartwatch. See my smartwatch? You see? My very first time using smartwatch. So the time here now is like this. It's 11 minutes past 3. Right, 11 minutes past 3. So, good afternoon, good morning to you. Depends the location you are actually watching me from. I will tell you good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Because we have time difference between us. We really have some time difference between us. Today is my happy day. And the reason is, today is my festival. Today is Eid Mubarak. And Eid Mubarak to you. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you for supporting and giving back to the community. Most especially the needy families that actually been helping through my lens. Shout out to Marsando. Shout out to Marsando, shout out to Mom Christina Idei, shout out to Francis Bombo, shout out to Daddy John Kai and Mommy, shout out to Mr. and Mrs. White, shout out to Pastor and Mother, shout out to every one of you. Actually, best supporting Brother Sheriff. Like I said, the family is large. The family is large. The family is so large. And going to Minnesota, the families are there. In Texas, families are there. In Rhode Island, families are there. All over America, people actually trust me and build the confidence in me. And this is what I really find happiness in doing, that people should smile through this lens. Okay, and I'm just your messenger. So, and today is our holiday. So, may God protect you. Those are sick, may God heal you. Those are sick, may God heal you. All right, may God give you peace. May God bless you. Words can I actually express how I feel right now? But I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Wallahi, I'm grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So now, let us go to the video. What this video is really about. This video is really about giving the cakes. They are Salimafo. You know, probably you don't know what it means, Salimafo. And Salimafo is something that where the cakes, after dressing, they will go and have something from the elderly family. Right, from the big people. They will be like walking around dressing like this. They will dress and they will be like, oh yes, Masalimafo. They don't have to know you. Yes, they don't have to know you. When they see you, they walk on the street, they see you, they will be like, Masalimafo. Salimafo is like my big day, right? So if you have something like $10, $5, you can just give that to them. Right, so this house is a beautiful house, folks. Very, very beautiful house. So now, and people, I'm seeing myself in the mirror. I'm seeing myself in the mirror. So folks, yeah. So they will be like, you, my Salimafo. So she came from America. I'm going to ask her, what do you mean Salimafo? No, I'm still filming. Yeah, I'm still filming. Yeah, I'm still filming. I said my phone. Huh? No, it's my food, man. When I can Nanta for yeah. Oh, I know my phone, yeah. I know. I read it wrong. Metia. Memang tu semua. Nah. Nah. Iya sama foto strong. Mas sama foto strong ba? Gina. Ama sama foto. Gina. Ama sama foto strong muna. Yeah. Ilo ay nasa mafuri ha? Ayo sama foto strong. She not got some right? So she just coming right? And you too, you just coming right? Oh, and then some of our yeah, folks I know back in the days, you know, Eastern I see children doing things like this. I thought of myself, you know, when I was a child growing up, I would be like myself, my phone. Eh? You know those I get? Well, would they have getting some? No, you look at them. Who them? They both getting some? Yeah. And they wanna get some. They wanna get some. And they wanna get some. Okay. Huh? I like to do. Yeah.
So they also prepare at night.
Oh yeah. On the Eid day, people actually, you know, we have get together. In our various homes where we roast meat and then boil hatai, as you can see. Wow. And this is not the only group you will see. This place will be so packed where people will come and then share food together. Yeah. So this is so beautiful. So how you feel about today?
Well, today I'm very excited, you know, coming back home to see the family, meeting my parents. I'm so excited. It's a blessing, you know, that they are alive. I was able to come with my own family from the state and to see them very happy. Yeah, I'm excited and meeting for the celebration, you know. Yeah, so every year we usually celebrate in the United States, but you know, I thought it was that, you know, this year I should take my family back home and they have some quality time with the family also in Liberia, specifically in Voinjama. So I'm very excited. The kids, as you can see, they are all excited as well. You know, when kids are happy, you know, God is happy.
Yeah, it's from their action.
Yeah,
yes,
so,
yes.
Yeah, this is just the beginning. By the grace of God, inshallah, we will, you know, we'll do more of this, not just here, but we'll spray it out as time go by.
Yeah. But what do you have to tell the other families around the world in America, and then like you, that they can imitate you, coming down and then having time with the family, and then, you know, what's the difference there?
Yeah, so the difference there is, like for me, usually where I live, you know, we have a big family. For that, I'm very grateful. Not everyone have that opportunity. So, day like this, I'm not too sad because I found myself in a very beautiful family. So we come around and celebrate together. And what I can tell other people is that it's good to come back home. You know, it's good to come back home and have some quality time with the families back home in Africa. So it is very important to come and visit the family and celebrate with them. You know, sometimes it's sometimes very easy as an individual to come back home, you know. But coming back home with the family, that's another issue too. That's another, it's a big challenge. I'm grateful that I was able to make it, and I encourage other people to do the same. So, yeah, by the way, my name is Abraham Tunkara, and I live in the United States of America, specifically in Louisville, Kentucky. So I came with my family in Voinjama so we can spend the Eid celebration together, and everything is going.
Folks are actually.
So Brother Sharif, don't say nothing. To Brother Sharif Sopotos, thank you so much for whatsoever you have been doing for him. I follow all your activities. So you guys have been a change to him. Only God will reward you, or what you have done for him, only God will reward you.
Yes, sir.
He said, he is my brother. You know, he is my brother. From all the way during the refugee life to today, he is my brother. So I'm thankful for you all that giving at least the little that you have, sharing it with him. You know, it's a blessing. Thank you all. I pray that may the Almighty multiply whatsoever you give him, multiply it triple time. May Allah reward you all. Whatsoever you are doing it for God, not for him alone, but also for people smiling. For people, you make people smile, like the orphanage, you know, like the kids. Like right here now, you can see, as you can see, the kids are very excited. You know, they are very excited. So that shows that, you know, that also is happy. So thanks very much for Brother Sherry. We are happy that, you know, I think he has reached this far. And thank you for all your projects, all the gifts, you know. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you too, brother. Thank you too. Thank you so much. So folks are, imagine. This is so unique. This is so unique. Yes. This is absolutely amazing. Where kids are here waiting for their Eid Mubarak gift. So, and yes, please come with a gift. You know? Yeah, some kids are here also. Yeah. You know, when we were very young like this, you know, we never get tired of walking around. We dress and then walk around and be like my Salimafo. Yes, my Salimafo. So now they are here for their Salimafo also. No, you don't give to one person, so you share it. Everybody gets. So somebody rooming, right? Who rooming? Who and who? This girl and who again? So 2 person rooming, right? Okay. So 2 person rooming. Okay, give to her. Let you hold it herself. Let you hold it herself. Okay. Oh yeah, folks. You know, this is absolutely amazing. Seriously, you know. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. You know, I like my shade. This my shade is actually from the Indian guy. You know, he normally watch my show, he watch my videos, and then he was like, this guy, Brother Sherry, actually like sunglasses. So I need to get Brother Sherry's one sunglass. So just go back to the video, the previous one when I was in Morovia, and then you'll see like, he said, oh yes, I've been missing you. I've been like waiting for you to come in Morovia. I went India and I bought something for you. I was like, what? So he brought these sunglasses for me, and see how it is like. You know, I actually like sunglasses. Yeah, I actually like sunglasses. And now I also have a smartwatch. So the time is here is 15:24. With my smartwatch, everything is just cool. So thank you so much. Yeah.
This is my beautiful wife.
Oh.
All the gifts you see in there, she.
Okay, that's beautiful.
The backbone.
Okay.
Behind everything, you know.
That's good. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
All the gifts you see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Thank you
all
so
thanks
much.
goes to her.
Thank you so much, Jibate. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah. Thank you for the cakes. May God reward you. May God multiply it. Thank you so much. Yeah. This is this is your very first time in Voinjama, right?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
I'm not
Camera friendly.
camera-like person. So I get nervous with the camera.
Thank you. Okay, thank you
In
so
your
much.
video. All I can say, thank you to all the subscribers. We really appreciate you for being a good subscriber, and we appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you,
And
folks.
please don't forget to like and subscribe to his channel.
Thank
That's
you
the
so
only
much.
support you can give him.
That's one of the biggest support you can give. Yes, okay. She from America too. Yes, folks. So folks, as you can see, our kitchen is actually getting fresh and ready, and Mariam is here to making it unique. We're going to enjoy this together. What?
I'm so happy my brother here.
Oh, you're happy for your brother being here, at least coming back home and then spending this day with the family is so amazing. Yeah, so amazing, folks. This is actually amazing. Wow. So folks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. If you actually like the work Brother Shabir is doing, I'll be like you, my big day on you all. My big day on you. And then just my gift is on you. Eid Mubarak to every one of you. And Mastando, Ma Christiana Day, big up to you all folks. Thank you so much for supporting. Yeah, I'm so happy today. Really, I'm so happy today. I'm just happy. I'm overwhelmed.